Greetings and welcome. This is your friendly electric shmoo introducing you to the URLium mod. URLium is a Fabric server-side mod using the Polymer client-side resource pack system that allows you to enable change reporting on the blocks you see behind me. Change reporting is a way of sending the block status to an external web service that you set in your config file. I'm going to give my user a URL config wand, and I'm going to enable change reporting on this sign. And what we see here is that a PHP script has received a message from my Minecraft server and has responded back using RCON to tell me what it received. Now I'm going to edit the text, and any time that this sign is changed, my web service receives an update. I can disable by right-clicking again, and that turns the reporting off. I can enable reporting on this daylight detector, and now the sunlight's daylight power is going to be transmitted to my web service. I can do the same with a skulk sensor and transmit the events, frequency, and power level as well as the phase, whether it's active or inactive. I can enable a comparator, and now my web service can receive real-time redstone signal and display the power level appropriately. I can enable a lectern to report the contents of a book. And now that the book has been placed, we can read the text from it from the web service. I'm going to disable that. And now here I have a chest, a trap chest, and a barrel. All three act the same. Once I've enabled change reporting, the inventory of the chest is sent to my web service, and it even tells me which slot, 6, 17, 18, 12, tells me exactly where the items are in the chest as well. So this is how you work with these block items. There's also a URL post wand, and this post wand is just going to report the block that you click, no matter what block it is. So I've rigged my PHP web service to respond by turning the block into gold if it's unpowered, and into a diamond block if it is powered. So that's just a demonstration of what you can do. But really, the options are endless. This is just a feature to demonstrate that it can receive that information and respond by doing things. So really, anything you do in RCON, you can do in URLium. And now here also we have a webcom command that sends a message to the server. And so here that works just like one of the other items, in that it is sending a post message to your web service. There's also an authentication token that you can set in the web service to confirm that this is the server it's coming from. And yes, the opportunities and features of how to respond to these messages are endless. I just used PHP as one programming language backend. You could use JavaScript, C#, Golang, whatever you want. Just respond with RCON, and you have a full circuit of input and output to your Minecraft world. Hope to see what people make use of this with, and I will see you around with updates to URLium later. Take care. Bye-bye.